Question 1. Gloria bought a house for 267,000. She put 20% down and obtained a simple interest amortized loan for the balance at 10% annually. She paid the loan monthly and interest compounded monthly for 15 years. From the situation above, determine this information. For answer Roman 1, price for of the house is 267,000. For Roman 2, deposit down payment must times with principal. So 20 percentage times with 267,000. So the answer is 53,400. And the answer for principal, the house price we need to minus with deposit. So the original house price is 267,000. We need to minus with 53,400 the deposit, and the answer we get is 213,600. So for annual interest rate, we need to calculate 10 percentage divide to 100. So we will get 0.10. And for monthly interest rate, the 0.10 we need to divide to 12, which is 12 months. So the answer is 0.008333. So to calculate the equal payment per month, we need to use annuity method, which is R equals to P or R over M over 1 minus 1 plus R over M negative N. So if you substitute the amount the given, the answer will be 2295.36 cents. Last but not least, number of payment for 15 years. So for 15 years, we need to times it 12 months. So the total amount we get is 180 months.
Question 1b. Nashmi bought a Honda City at a price Rm 120,000 and he borrowed from bank monthly at rate 3.8% for 7 years. Now we are going to find the interest values. P is a principal, that is Rm 120,000. The rate is 0.0038 and the time is 7 years. Now we are going to calculate the PRT. So the answer is Rm 31,920 ringgit. Next, we are going to calculate the maturity value of the loan. MV equal to P plus PRT. So the answer is Rm 151,920 ringgit. The third one is monthly payment. Uh, let's see how to calculate the monthly payment. Original balance plus interest divide by number of payment. So we got the answer, which is Rm 1,739 ringgit 85 cent. If Najmi want to settle his loan after 2 years, you are required to calculate the rebate. First one is sum of small n equal to small n plus 1 divided by 2 in bracket small n. So the answer is Rm 300. Second one is sum of big N equal to in bracket big N plus 1 divided by 2 in bracket N. So the answer is Rm 3570 ringgit. The rebate is sum of small n divided by sum of big N times by 1. So the answer is Rm 2580 ringgit 42 cent. B. Early payment that must be paid if he want to settle his loan after 2 years. So now we are going to calculate the early payment. Early payment equal to in bracket small n times by MP in bracket minus rebate. So the answer is Rm 49,615 ringgit 80 cent.
Question 2. Find the compound interest on RM 12,600 for 2 years at 10% per annum compounded annually. Compound amount S equals to P bracket 1 plus R divided by M bracket MT. So you should substitute the amount given in question. So you get RM 15,246 ringgit. Compound interest I equals to S minus P. So you get RM 2,646 ringgit. B. You borrowed RM 10,400 for 4 years at 12.7% and the interest is compounded semi-annually. Compound amount S equals to P bracket 1 plus R divided by M bracket MT. The so you should substitute the amount given in question. So you get RM 70,000 18 ringgit 97 cent. So the next one is compound interest. I equals to S minus P. So you get RM 6,618 ringgit 97 cent. Question C. At what rate of compound interest per annum a sum of RM 1,200 ringgit becomes RM 1,348 ringgit 32 cent in 2 years? So find R. S equals to P bracket 1 plus R divided by M bracket MT. So you should substitute the amount given in question. So you get a 6% rate. Compound amount. So S equals to P bracket 1 plus R divided by M bracket MT. So you should substitute the amount are given in the question. So you get RM 1,348 ringgit 32 cent. The next one is compound interest. I equals to S minus P. So you get 148 ringgit 32 cent.